What's up, everybody? Danny Gallows, of course, and we got a blizzard outside, so we're gonna go walk around in it.
Right, we're down by the coast now. I don't know how long this camera's going to last. It's probably going to be its last mission out here, because this is an intense storm. I can already see the ice forming on the lens. Whew. Winds are about 30-40 miles an hour. Gusts up to about 50 or 60. Man. Massive snow drifts. You can see complete whiteout conditions. Complete whiteout. I mean, it's like, there are times where you can't see even, a quarter mile in front of you, hardly. Look at that, man. Woo! Look at that. Camera is freezing to death. I think the heat from my hand is the only thing that's keeping it alive right now, but that's okay. We're gonna see how far I can make it. And look at that, just whiteout, absolute whiteout conditions all along the coast. You can't even see up the road. It's Hoth out here for real now. Now it's really... The Arctic tundra came for a visit. She brought brought all the wrath with her. Whew.